Good evening, Sister Highness. Evening, fun, so good evening. So, Sister Highness, when you go start come at church? Hmm? I soon start come. You know, see time I catch up on your Sister Highness. You mean to tell me, say, you can't find it in yourself, Sister Highness, to start go at church? 75-year-old and you not find and look into yourself yet, Sister Ines, we start go to church. Well, I am not all that, but I'm telling you, it's better to be a doorkeeper in the house of the Lord, as King David said. More than you know, they know way at all, Sister Highness. But Sister Highness, you don't know that the general election will soon come up, Sister Highness?
No, I never hear.
Well, I beg you tell them for me. Because you don't know me, Alphonse, already. If they ever come at me yard, this time, fi come ask me, fi come out, come vote, I will take up me piece of thick from round the back. Because the last election, the counselor come at me yard and take me up. Me and my wife, me put in a Prado. Me never drive in a Prado from me barn. When me come out of the Prado and reach the polling station, me have to say to my wife, me, look what happened to me backside there, because it must trip. But if they ever make Dopey frighten them and come at me yard this time around, they wouldn't like to know when me ha go say to them. So them better no bother come and fi me yard. Because if that is the only time me fans so can see them, I don't want to see them. Look on the Bible when me have to go at church, how we tear up. I me no see none of them. If you come ask me if me want one high cement, much less fi buy me one Bible. But through them now read the Bible. Them no know say me want one good Bible and one Bible bag fi can go at church. Not even that. Not even that. A simple thing as a Bible and a Bible bag. Because nowadays, nobody no want no God. So when me have to go to church and I walk up and down with me piece of tear up Bible, I go to church, they must see this a laugh off me as where me I go. But me have to still scramble go to my church. Cause no better no day. Is when me call upon God, me can get the food for eat. Because if I dem your government here, me a wait pan, me a pluck. Me would have never see food until when a election time come around. One box food me get with one piece of chicken. The chicken they even turn good with a little piece of wing each up pan it so. And little curry goat. Me never know where they get goat from. Them the time there. I could have the foreign goat. I me not like the foreign goat, you know. Me prefer the Jamaica goat. The real goat them want run up and down in a bush. But 10 to arena one day, you know. The goat them can't turn in a bush because the thief them. As the goat them come up little so. There goes the thief them. This a thief the goat them. But where do me see them catch one man? Highness, you don't know me already, you know. I me say, when me look, me see there, him I beg, I say, pardon him for thief the goat them, but he have a heap of responsibility. But me not beg for him to, you know, because easy out here, pretty. Because I chew me whole no one can do certain things. Me this happy this put me focus on God and wait for him till him provide for me. But if me young, me don't know what would happen to me, me don't know what would I do. Because it hard, man. It hard. Things tight. Yeah. I want to tell you so many things, then tight. Tight bad me, I tell you. You know, like when you take them glue, they tighten up things. The what? The gorilla glue. I saw this thing they tight now, cause I live in tight bad. Because, Master, you have the light company as support a little pension money has me get it. Then you have the water one over there so. Thanks be to God me no got internet because me don't know how mother manage for pay so much bill. And a good thing say when salt fish in a shingle house tap me make up and live vinegar about three Philly vida because me don't know where mother live now to hold things hard and tight. Eh? A good thing. So when me did a travel up and down, me na put up 1 shilling and make up and listen. Up till now we not done yet because you know me already. Me did a try make 1 3-floor house. But up till now, I just see first floor 2 room done. Me never gone nowhere yet. But me no want to no say me stupid, But as you know me already, in a them the day, me did have to make them think say me got money. So, and that's why me did, you know, come up with the exhibition and start make up one big 3 floors. Because me no want them to know say me no got money, So me started big, but up till now me can't done it yet. But nevertheless, me comfortable. When we say comfortable, me comfortable in the one living room where me have the done up. Yes. So, and it does see comfortableness me I think about. But me grand picking then we come finish up the rest if me no got the time, yeah. Because you never know when you're going to go no matter. And like me never fire up, like one time. I don't know how far me time there. But I would love to see something happen. But when the government could I do, ma, is help out, to help finish up even one other room. Because every bathroom me ain't get to finish, Me still use the outside latrine, But through me have a big fence, and everybody know, say, me no have it inside bathroom. Cause me make one big fence there, Because me can't bother when people are pass for me yard and a tear in a me yard. I see everything go on in a me yard. Me no like it, sir. Me no like it. Me need to have privacy. Privacy. You must get privacy in your yard, man. Me no like it big old open up yard them. Like a stadium. No, sir. Me no like it at all. Well, Fanso, I have my own story them with the government, Because me still a suffer. Nothing no changing in my life over the last 60 years. Not even running water, me no have neither, nothing. Nothing. No have no running water. Can hardly buy food for eat. So me no want to see them this time around here, you know, me no want to see them. The last time me see them come, then take up Miss Jane, put in a wheelchair and carry down, go vote. Say every vote count. But me no say, them can't take me up and carry me, and me not left my yard go vote. Them better walk around and look for young people them. Because this diet thing me no hear no more. Me have to see progress. This diet foolishness now put we nowhere. And me no hear hit with them. So I better me stay in my yard. Or go down a bush go continue plant me ground. Because then did say, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. So that mean to say, if you're not done on farming, you know, fi eat.